If your Cadillac XT5 is refusing to connect to Apple CarPlay, the fix is often simpler than you think. Over 80% of these connectivity issues stem from a minor data handshake failure between your phone and the Q system. Let us walk through the troubleshooting playbook to get you back online. Start by deleting your phone from the Q system and forgetting the vehicle settings on your iPhone before performing a fresh restart. If you are using a wired connection, ensure your cable is MFI certified and that your charging port is free of debris. Check the infotainment settings to toggle the CarPlay feature off and back on again, and verify that Siri remains enabled. Most issues are solved at home, but if the USB port itself is physically damaged, you will need a professional service technician. As this chart shows, the vast majority of failures are simply due to inexpensive cables or temporary software glitches. If problems persist, ensure your iPhone is fully updated, and as a last resort, consider a factory reset of the infotainment module. Keep a small can of compressed air and a known working cable in your glove box for quick diagnostics on the road. Remember that connectivity is a digital conversation, and a simple system restart is often all it takes to restore the dialogue. If these steps fixed your connection, hit that like button and subscribe for more Cadillac troubleshooting advice.